Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Alright, so today I am doing a collaboration with a bunch of super awesome channels, and this collaboration was put together, made possible by Brittany from WaltLifeSaltLife, so thank you so much, Brittany, for putting all of this together. I think it's super duper fun, so I think we're calling it like Friendsgiving Around the World. So in the spirit of the Thanksgiving season, we all took part in this really awesome recipe swap. So in this recipe swap, everybody submitted a family recipe that they really enjoy to make around these holiday times or that is really special to them. And for each of these different recipes, we tried to make them associated with some kind of country, like either that we're from or our family's from. So my family on my mom's side is very much French, so I went with France as the country that I represented. So if you want to see all of them, I will have everybody's channel linked down below in the description, as well as probably the playlist with everybody's different video down in the description below. Please go check them out and check out and see if you can find the recipe that I gave to somebody in the recipe swap. Once we gave Brittany all of our different recipes, then she swapped them around and all of us got a new country and recipe that we are going to try out. In this video, I will be cooking up a recipe given to me from Jess and Nico from Princess and the Sith, so please go check them out. And I got Ireland, and I am making garlic smashed potatoes, and I will be including the recipe also in the description down below if you would like to try it out. I will be trying it out for the very first time. I obviously absolutely love potatoes, so I was really happy to get this recipe. It really just sounds perfect, but I have never actually made mashed potatoes. Come along with me and we will go make the recipe.
First, what you will need is a bag of red potatoes, butter, garlic, and salt. And once you scrub and wash the potatoes and cut them up, put them in a pot and fill it with water. Then add the garlic, and I minced mine. It did not say to mince it, and I saw that afterwards, but it turned out okay anyway, so I think it's okay. I'm sorry, Jess and Nico, if you're supposed to put whole garlic cloves in it, but I minced it and it still tasted good and garlicky. Then bring your pot to a boil. And once it reaches a boil, turn the heat down to a medium or low heat. Until the potatoes are tender to a fork stabbing it. Drain your potatoes. I just kept the potatoes in the large pot so I wouldn't have to do more dishes afterwards. You add in your butter and your salt. Then smash them up until they're still a little chunky. They are ready to eat.
Now for the true test, the taste test. So here they are. It was actually like a super easy recipe. I didn't mention this earlier, but I did half the recipe because it's just me and my brother-in-law here right now. So let's try it out. And I did leave it pretty chunky because that's what they said to do, and I also like chunky mashed potatoes. It's good mashed potatoes.
That's pretty good.
Alright guys, and that was it. I made Jess and Nico's garlic smashed potatoes from Ireland, and they were really good, really delicious. So if you want to try it out, I have the recipe linked down below. But also if you're in the mood for some other kind of Thanksgiving vibes, or you just love food, or you just like watching cooking videos, link down below for the entire playlist of everybody else's Friendsgiving meals and recipes that we all did. And also all of the channels are linked down below as well. They are all such wonderful, lovely, fantastic people, and I am so happy that I was a part of this. So thank you so much, Britt, and thank you everybody else who was part of this collab. It was really fun getting to know you guys and talking about how much we love food, how much we all love potatoes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite traditional Thanksgiving dish is, or the one that you're most looking forward to this year. I love stuffing. Until next time, farewell.